Introducing the Illumina Neck and Chest Mask by iRESTORE. Get firmer, healthier-looking skin on your neck and chest area with just 10-minute sessions with iRESTORE's money-back guarantee. This LED neck and chest mask's clinically proven technology offers 230 medical-grade LEDs and 2 wavelengths, featuring iRESTORE's DermiFlow design to allow airflow and cooling to avoid overheating and discomfort to the skin. Before you begin your LED treatment, spritz the Renew Calming Facial Spray on it. Using the 2 smaller straps, attach the mask around your neck. Once it is securely on, attach the controller power cord to the mask. For extended chest coverage, drape the mask directly on the chest area. Press and hold the power button to activate the mask. The indicator light will illuminate. When the session begins, relax and enjoy yourself, or complement your session with an iRESTORE hair growth device. After your session, the mask will automatically turn off. The treatment utilizes 2 wavelengths. Red light therapy helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines, reduce redness and inflammation, and rejuvenate sun-damaged skin. Near-infrared lights help to smooth and firm sagging skin, promote youthful-looking skin, and boost collagen production. For optimal results, indulge in 10-minute sessions 3 to 5 times a week. Wear the neck and chest mask while going about your daily activities for a convenient skincare routine. Clean your mask with iRESTORE's device cleaning solution and a microfiber cloth. Then store it safely in the provided storage pouch after charging.